It's about 6:30, and it's still enough this morning that I could hear the creek running as I came back from dropping my daughter off for her early morning class. So I had to come over and see it. A lot of stuff blew around in the yard yesterday. I'm seeing plastic. Gonna do some cleanup. There's a cup. That one might have to wait till spring. I think it takes a storm to make you appreciate this kind of stillness. And I do appreciate it. It's a beautiful morning. The greenhouse is good. Jared and William worked on it yesterday, most of the day. Got the plastic on solid. The covering's good. There's no second layer. The bottom layer was torn up pretty good, so there's no inflation fan right now with the air sandwiched between the two layers, which provides a little bit of protection, but hopefully we'll be good through the rest of the winter and early spring with it, or without it, I should say. Straps are over the top of the plastic, holding it together. We'll need to do some yard cleanup from all the things that blew with the wind. But overall, it's good. We're in good shape. We're okay. Greenhouse is still standing. Made some new friends over it. Those are good. Sometimes the things that test us and challenge us are the things we learn the most from, and the things that provide us with the best memories. So, it's good. You know, life isn't what happens to us. Life is how we choose to look at what happens to us. We get to decide that part of the story. Can't always control all the curves that come our way, but we get to choose how we act through them and how we act upon them. So, choosing to do good things.